Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode. This is the last week of Ramadan. We have about 6 more days to go, I believe. And Ramadan, unfortunately, is going to be over. The best time of the year is going to be over, and it went as fast as, I don't know, it felt like it never happened. It's crazy. It's crazy how things are happening nowadays. And yeah. So today is a busy errands day. Right now I am at Costco. I have to get a couple of things from Costco because I have to refill my fridge. And then after that, I have to go back to Penticton and pick up the things that I left a couple of days ago to get fixed at the tailor. And we need to wash a Elantra, and we need to do laundry. All the things that I hate to do. Sorry, hate is too strong. All the things I don't like doing, then I have to do them today. It has to be done in some point. So yes, I'll take you along with me. And as today is my last non-fasting day in Ramadan, we're going to get a Starbucks. So I'm here at the mall because I think that this Starbucks is the one that makes the coffees best. So I don't want to have a bad experience on my last non-fasting day. Hi. Can I do a frappuccino? The caramel ribbon crunch.
Caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino.
Yes. Come again?
Anything else?
No. Thank you.
Oh, it usually $6.45, but today we have promotion event, so just $4.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you. What size did you give me?
Grande, the medium
Perfect.
one. And what was your name?
Maggie.
Maggie. Service card? Yeah, it works. Great.
Awesome.
Thank you. So much.
So, what a blessing. Today the Starbucks is discounted. So, we even got more coffee. And yes, you heard me. I say Maggie all the time here when I come to Starbucks because I never get my name right. I always say Magali and they don't understand. So, yeah, Maggie is well known around the world. Cheers. I love this frappuccino. It is very coffee tasty, of course, and it has that sweetness of the caramel, but it's not overly sweet. I love it. There is a mocha frappuccino as well that is really good, but I don't know why. I am a chocolate lover, but this caramel ribbon latte, it's amazing. I think it's caramel ribbon latte. I think it's latte at the end of it, but I don't know. I always buy it, but I have to look at the list. I have to look at the list of coffees before I order it because I never remember the name exactly. But I think I recorded it when I was there. Here we are, we arrived to Penticton. I'm going to pick up my stuff from the tailor and go to the bathroom right away because coffee is a lot of liquid. So let's do that. The bathrooms here at the mall in Penticton are way nicer than the ones in Kelowna. Here we are at the touchless, no, not the touchless, wand car wash. You have the touchless right next to these 4 spots, and all the spots are busy. Everyone is washing their cars, and I am waiting here in the first one I saw at the beginning of the line because this one is removing the soap from the car already, so that means that it is in the last process, if not finished, almost finished. Yeah. Oh no, it took the brush again. So removed to brush again? Really? Like seriously? Oh, it's brushing the wheels. Brushing the wheels. Okay, yeah, I have to wait for this one. Oh no! Seriously? The one I thought that was just starting was finishing actually. Someone else took the spot. I can't believe how I missed that. Oh my. Well, if this guy is brushing the wheels, that means that it's almost done, right? Just tell me that that's the case. Otherwise I'm going to have a long time waiting here to get Elantra cleaned. And if I leave, I'm not going to be back. And I'm not going to go to a car wash in Kelowna either. What the heck? Everyone is getting empty? Okay, I'll wait for this guy because now I'm here. How did I miscalculate everything? Everyone is getting in their spots. Everything was busy and now everything is available. Oh my god. How did I miss this? Yeah, I came to the wrong one. Now we are going to rinse and be done. And just like that, we are done showering Elantra. But here's the thing. This place is cheaper, but I reckon this place doesn't clean Elantra like the other one. Because I couldn't, even though I used the brush, I don't know if you can tell, all these spots and these lines here of dirt, they didn't come out. Not happy with the service here. The quality, I don't know if it's the soap or what, but it's not the best. So next time it's not going to be here because I want it better cleaned, even though it's never going to be perfectly clean unless I buy a rag to properly wash it, because it's the best way, having a rag and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing with a rag. But not today. And off we go. Let's see if we get a laundromat here, or I should do it in Kelowna. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it in Kelowna just in case. We made it to Kelowna, and I'm right outside the laundromat. What is behind me? The laundromat. I can show you because I have the reflectives in the trunk of my car, so you can't see anything, but it's right there. So yeah, let's do this. I am not a fan of having to wait probably for 1 hour, hour and a half in total between the washer and the dryer, but I like this laundromat because the attendants are really nice and helpful, and it is very clean actually, so I'm happy. I have this laundromat here and it's quiet. They have the radio on, of course, and they chat, but it is quiet. It's comfortable to be here. So let's waste hour and a half here while we do laundry, and then let's fold.
Still on the housing front, home prices could match peak levels seen in early 2022 by next year and then reach new highs by 2026. That's according to the latest housing market outlook report from Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation. CMHC says affordability will continue to be a concern for the next 3 years, pointing to declining mortgage rates and strong unemployment.
Ripped out that rail trail camp up by Magali. Oh yeah. I haven't seen it. Heavy machinery.
Thank you.
Jimmy, oh, how's it going?
just folding my clothes here.
And like art of magic, we are done with our errands today. And this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for joining me during such a boring day. Well, it was not boring if you think about it. We traveled to Penticton, 1 hour away from Kelowna, and washing the car was fun. The only thing is that doing laundry makes me feel sleepy because I have to wait for the clothes to get done. But I love this laundromat here in Kelowna. It has a 4.6 stars rating and is the best rated one. I just love it. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it very much. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Love you all. See you next time.